Hello all. In this session I will be discussing how to generate this sketch using AutoCAD 2024 version, where I am going to start with a central vertical line, then followed by two offsets are there at an offset distance of 36, okay, and it is maintaining an inclination 30-30 with respect to the vertical. All these will try to plan. Before that, let me see the height of the sketch. The outer diameter here it is given. From the center, if you could see, centrally there is 100 followed by 23, 123 here, and to the upside the outer circle is having a diameter of 94, means 47, okay, 140, 60, 70, I will take 170, okay. A rough idea, overall height is going to be 170 mm. Select the line and keeping effect off, keep it near the quadrant. Now I'll say Z enter, A enter. This is how the line look like. Then select, change the line to a center line type, then the color to 2H color. Now what I'm going to do, next step, I'm going to draw two inclinations with respect to a vertical. So for that, what I'll do, select, CO, enter. One copy here, one copy here, done. Then select, I would like to rotate to 30 degrees. 30 degrees, okay, select. Then this one, select, rotate with respect to this point to minus 30 degrees, okay. Now I'll just try to move this, select, M, enter, hold the corner, move it to the midpoint, select, hold the corner, move, enter, M, enter, M, enter, select, enter, hold the corner, move it to the center. We got it, okay. Now if you want, you can extend the center line also. It's not going to affect the sketch. Now centrally here there are some circles given that I need to draw. One is of 94 diameter, simply I'll go with center diameter. Here I'll just drop 94 diameter, that is one. One more is of circle where there is an array on 74 dia. On 74 dia there is an array on that circle, second one. Internally there is 54 diameter. So I'll draw one more circle of, done. And where I am going to place the array, that curve I'll just try to keep it in a dash type, followed by change the color to 2H. Select, properties, color to 2H type. So there is a circle, there are 6 circles and of 12 diameter, 6 circles of 12 diameters. So I'll take a diameter 1, 6. Is this right or wrong? 12 diameter, sorry, I made it take 6, which is wrong. 12 diameter, so I'll make it 1, 2. So but the color should be bilayer, white color. Alright, now I just go with an array, ARR, ARR is the command, array of this object, enter, polar type, on the circumference, count is 6, which is correct. This I have discussed many times, polar array and linear array type, so that you can see. If you have any doubts, you can go through other lectures also. Okay, this is how it look like. Again, let me open the sketch. Alright, this is how it look like. Then this is how the sketch look like. I have drawn two inclinations also. This part is completed. Now bottom half there is an offset of 36. Okay, so where I am going to go with 18 on either sides of vertical, offset, double enter, line to 18, this line again to 18, done. Alright, that is completed. Now from the center again there are curves passing through. Have a look. This is one. Now from the center there is a 100 radius. So I'll try to take center radius from here, a radius of 100. Okay, TR double enter, unwanted things I'll remove, completed. So but this is an axis line, so I'll simply change it to center line type. Okay, now again go back. Wherever this center line is intersecting with the 30 degrees inclination, there is a circle of 12 radius and one more of 23 radius, 12 and 23. Let me take a circle. Here there is one. Okay, let me go with this 12 and one more is of 23. I can mirror or else I can repeat the same by clicking the enter button. I can complete this by this way. I can select them all because I have to keep it in bilayer, which is visible now. So keep this in bilayer format. Okay, now this part is completed. There are two curves. Again curves need to be drawn. Tan radius again I will apply. Now here it is maintaining a radius. What is that radius? In between from here. Okay, if you'll see here, there is, I need to draw this curve 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so already there is a radius of 100 plus this is 12, this is maintaining 12. So at 112 there is one circle at 112. Okay, so what I can do, simply I just apply tan radius from here to this point with 112. Oh, selection is wrong. Again I'll repeat. Let me keep this in bilayer. Alright, let me go with tan radius 1, 2, 112. This is how we get. Alright, then unwanted things, TR double enter. This is not required. This part is not required. So other things I'll select and delete. You got that. Again have a look. There is from the center there is 23 radius. So overall it is 100 from the center. 100 plus 23, 123. I'll take tan radius between this circle, the outer one, and this circle, 123. Again I'll say TR, trim, double enter, this part, everything is completed. Anything else required? Yes, I need to copy it actually. So same thing has to be performed to the other side also. So that we can do by what process? Simply I can mirror it. What I can do, I can offset it if you want. What I do, just have a look. I'll go with some other way. Offset, enter, through, enter this line to this point. Okay, this point to this point. Okay, that is one of the best option we have. Through offset through option we can do this. TR double enter without using any of them. Now unwanted things I'll trim. Then I trim this part. So in between I can simply select and delete. Sorry, there is some more part need to be removed. these parts are not required, these edges or curves. Completed. Alright. So, but there is a connectivity between these two that I need to darken. I'll just take line enter from this intersection to this intersection. Enter. Again there is an enter from here to this point. Enter. Done. Alright. So, unwanted things. Let me see the unwanted things. There is a fillet here. When you do the fillet, this portion will be removed. R9. Fillet of R9. I'll take fillet. Select one edge, this is that edge, enter, radius of 9, enter, select the other one. Similarly, I can do it to the other side, but this is already missing, so I select this portion, then mirror with respect to vertical. No, okay. Then I use EX, extend this curve, then this curve. Those two are not matching now, so I just have to remove this part. Again I have to mirror this part, this one, and a line, mirror. Now quickly you have to react whether I could do the required things or not. That action should be very quick. Okay, TR double enter, unwanted things I just removed. These axis lines are also not required now, that you can do. So overall this is how the sketch look like. You can compare with the given question. I'll say Z enter, A enter, zoom all. Now it is fitting to the screen. Now you can check with the question given, accordingly you can give the dimensions. Alright, this is how when you practice more number of sketches, you will be very fast with all the tools. It becomes very easy. The point is how fast you are implementing, how quickly you are reacting to the situation. That is more important. If you have any questions, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.